Hey, Jesse here with another episode of Jesse Does It. Today we're going to be building a sleeping platform for the back of the Bronco. I got an overland trip coming up and I want to be able to sleep inside the Bronco instead of outside. So we're going to build a platform. I got a mattress, it's roughly 75 by 25, and we're going to build a platform that I think will fold up and fit nicely inside with the tailgate closed. That's the plan. Let's see if I can execute. Here we go. So being able to fold this up and close the tailgate is crucial while I'm traveling. And then with the tent right here, I can extend it and yeah, nice. Alright, so there you got it. Full 75 inches. And it will fold up. The legs fold down. Allow the tailgate to close. So let's put it inside and make sure it all fits. Toolbox fits underneath. Plenty of height in between the roof and here to lay on. And then the tent will come down. I think I'm gonna have to slide it in further. So we'll figure that out real quick. So I want to be able to use this in the bed of the truck and in the bed of the Bronco. In order to move it all the way forward, there's a drop down where the rear seat goes in the Bronco. So I built this extension. This will be removable depending on which truck I put it in. So for the Bronco, I put the extension on. For the bed of the truck, no extension, but I feel like that's kind of the best option here because of that dip down up front. I can slide the bed all the way forward, get as much room here at the back of the tailgate as needed. I think it's going to work. There you have it. So here it is with the tent all set up. Rain flies up. Unzip here to get in. Not too bad. It works. Can almost sit up in here all the way. Got plenty of room at my feet. Lay out here in the morning and look around. I think that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching another episode of Jesse Does It.